Hey guys, it's Miko.
Hey guys, it's me, Glazel.
Hey guys, it's Rian.
Hey guys, it's Pat.
And welcome back.
Welcome back
to
to another video.
In today's episode, we will be talk about the rhythm of life, the 7th chapter of Ian Stewart's book, The Nature's Number.
But before we begin, let's learn something about the author, Ian Stewart.
Ian Nicholas Stewart is an English mathematician, professor, and a well-known writer of various popular science and science fiction books. He is an awardee of Michael Faraday's Prize in 1995, the Royal Institution Christmas Lectures in 1997, and a Christopher Zeman Medal in 2008.
His notable works includes The Pursuit of the Unknown, Does God Play Dice, The Science of This World, and The Nature's Numbers, to name a few. Now, let's dive into it.
Chapter 7, The Rhythm of Life. Can you feel the beating of your heart in your chest? Or observe the movement of your lungs each time you breathe? These kinds of controllable rhythm are common. The concept Gait analysis is a branch of mathematical biology that deals with locomotion of both humans and animals. It is done through observation. It is used to assess body and muscle movements. The discovery of this analysis traces back when photographer Edward Murbridge took an image of different faces during horse racing. Example such is a walking or action patterns that humans and animals create. This is useful in terms of understanding the concept of locomotion and movements.
Moving on, we have oscillation. According to this chapter, oscillation is a unit whose natural dynamic causes it to repeat the same cycle of behavior over and over again. It occurs anywhere in our surroundings, in nature, and in ourselves as well. An example of these is an animal inside a cage who repeats a series of movements due to constraint, the rotation of the clock, and the vibration on any stringed instruments. It is also said that oscillation arises out of steady states. There are conditions wherein the system with a steady state could lose its stability and begin to wobble periodically. This scenario is known as Hopf bifurcation. It was founded and named after Eberhard Friedrich Ferdinand Hopf, an Austrian mathematician and astronomer. He proved that if the simplified system wobbles, then so does the original system. Digging deeper, bifurcation is the division of something or changes in structures. It provides a mental image of a current happening, interpreted to start from a very small and steadily becomes larger. This is where periodic oscillation grow out from its stable state. An example is the notes produced depending on how the clarinet is blown. Hopf bifurcation can also be seen as a special type of symmetry breaking.
One important point of the rhythm of life is the concept of how symmetric break, not because of space but of time. Time is a single variable, so mathematically it corresponds to a line, the time axis. There are only two types of line symmetry, translation and reflection. It means that you observe the motion of the system and then wait for some fixed interval and observe the motion of the system again. You will see exactly the same behavior. So it means that the laws of physics don't change as you move time.
Time reflection, on the other hand, are those who correspond to the reversing direction in which time flows, a more subtle and philosophically difficult concept. It means that it doesn't matter which direction you're going in time. Time reversal is also involved in this chapter. the law of motion is symmetric under the time reversal if you make a film of any legal physical motion or the one that obeys the laws and run the movie backward. What you see is also a legal motion. However, the legal motion common in our world often look bizarre when run backwards. For example, is tossing a ball and playing it backwards. Both scenarios are exactly the same, whether you play it in, backward, or forward. However, most initial condition break time reversal symmetry, especially when under the initial condition. For example, suppose we decide to start with raindrops falling downwards. This is not a symmetric state. Its time reversal would have raindrops fall upward. Even though the laws are time reversible and motion they produce need not be, because one the time reversal symmetry for has broken by the choice of initial condition, it remains broken. That is why it is called illegal and not time symmetry. Lastly, quadrupedalism, are also known as pronograde posture, is a form of terrestrial locomotion in animals using four limbs or legs. It is mainly seen to those animals or machines that usually moves in a quadrupedal manner. The majority of quadrupeds are vertebrate animals, including mammals such as cows, dogs, cats, and zebras, and reptiles like lizards and crocodiles.
And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for making this far.
I hope you learned something about our chapter review from Ian Stewart's book, The Nature's Numbers.
Don't forget to like and share and subscribe and turn that notification bell on and tell us what you like about the video in the comments below.
Until our next vlog, keep safe everyone.
Bye!
Bye.